Good day everyone and welcome back. If you keep getting that annoying transfer failed error message on Cash App, you're not alone. This usually happens because of an app glitch, a small typo, or a quick bank security block. Today, I'll show you exactly how to fix it and get your money moving again. So first of all, just take a look at your actual source balance. Make sure that you actually have enough funds in your linked bank account or debit card to cover the transaction you're trying to send. If your balance is fine, check your network connection. Cash App needs a fast, steady internet signal to process securely. If your Wi-Fi is acting up or spotty, switch over to your cellular data instead. You should also check the App Store or Google Play Store to make sure that the Cash App is fully updated to the latest version, which instantly clears a lot of issues. Then guys, take a look at your linked information. Open up your card tab, remove your card and re-enter the details manually. A tiny typo in your expiration date, CVV code, or billing zip code will cause the app to automatically reject the transfer. If all your info is 100% correct and it still fails, your bank is likely blocking the transfer. Many traditional banks flag sudden peer-to-peer app transfers to protect you from fraud. So once your details match up and your bank clears these security flags, your transfers should work perfectly fine. So just access your bank, go to their customer service and say that this transaction should not be blocked, it's you who's doing it. Enjoy, hopefully this helps, and see you in the next one.